The keyboard settings control how you type on your iPad. If you type in more than one language, you can add as many keyboards as you need from the list of supported languages. Some languages even offer different layout options, so you can choose the one that feels most natural to you. You can also arrange your keyboards in the order you prefer. The one at the top becomes your default, and when you switch between the keyboards, they follow the order you set here. It's a simple way to keep your most used languages within easy reach. This is also where you'll find keyboards installed by third-party apps. On this iPad, for example, we have keyboards from Fantastical and Yandex browser. The App Store has plenty of keyboard apps you can download. And they all appear in this list once installed. Personally, I'm cautious about using third-party keyboards because of privacy issues. Many of them can access everything you type, and in some cases, they can collect data even when you're not actively using them. That's not something I'm comfortable with, but the choice is always yours.